Hi. So we are at East Coast Park now, and it's like what time? It's 5:46 a.m. now, and we are actually here to
watch the sunrise.
watch the sunrise.
Oh gosh. Yeah, my nose is running from waking up so early.
This is like my first time waking up so early and coming out and see some people surprisingly even at such an early time. They're like mostly like jogging, exercising, but I'm really sleepy because I went to bed at 1:30 a.m. last night, so I'm not really awake yet. We're gonna find a place to settle down and set up our barbecue stuff, so we're gonna like barbecue while watching the sunrise. We're now looking for a proper location to set up our barbecue stuff.
It looks good. I guess we can set up here.
So we have just started the fire.
Yeah, so actually we're here more to see the sunrise now. And the breakfast is
顺便.
yeah, just to eat now. Enjoy a breakfast with the sunrise, yes.
Okay, and then according to Google, the sunrise is supposed to start at what,
6:48.
Okay, it's
Now
now
6:20.
6:25.
Another 20 minutes, so yeah.
So hopefully we'll see the sunrise soon.
Yeah, we'll get you a nice shot of sunrise, yes, definitely.
See you soon. The sky is already pretty bright. It's 6:40. No,
Now 6:33 only.
it's okay, 6:33, but the sky is already bright. So, have we actually missed the sunrise or what?
We can see the orange part, right? Yeah, the orange part with the clouds. I think we went until 6:48 lor. But if don't have, then too bad lah. But at least we get to come here and have fun. We also got breakfast, so I guess that consolation prize.
So you're blowing the coal, and the coal looks like it's almost all white.
We're gonna put the stuff around the fire to like gain some heat. So this is for our tea.
I think enough. Later too much water cannot boil.
Got some baked beans. Got some tuna. We're not gonna eat yet. This is just to heat up lah.
Doesn't look like we will be able to see like a proper sunrise.
The actual big blazing ball of fire,
But I guess it's fine. We are having fun barbecuing as well. Well, it's exactly 6:48 now, and there's no sunrise. The sky is already bright, so
Yeah.
there's no sunrise, unfortunately. We're just gonna enjoy the barbecue. So we're just like heating up the food now to prepare for breakfast.
Then we brought some bread as well to go along.
The tuna is kind of like boiling, so do you think it's ready?
We're gonna toast it, put it on pit, bread pit.
Not funny.
Okay, the baked beans are actually looking good as well.
The bread is burning. Oh no!
No! Okay, this corner will tear off some because it fell onto the sand. Okay, let's put 2 more pieces of toast and I will be sure to wash them. Yeah, I didn't expect the fire to be so strong, but that's good. Ooh, that's fast. Ooh, good stuff. Oh, do you want to eat the tuna first?
Okay.
Oh, it's smoking as well. This is smoking. Alright, we have our first batch. Hey, the sun is out.
Oh, nice!
What time is it? 7:02.
So we kind of missed the sunrise because we were too busy preparing our food and stuff like that.
Okay, but this counts. This counts. I count this as a win.
It's okay. It's still a sunrise. Yay! Hello!
It's reflecting very nicely on the sea.
Okay. Sunrise success. Okay, so we have toasted the bread and we're gonna like put tuna on it. Okay, I'm going to put tuna on the bread. Do I fold it in half or do I get another bread on top?
Oh, up to you actually. Can lah, can. You try to like bend it.
Oh, this is
Oh
yours.
no, you took my piece. It's okay. This is mine. Thank you very much.
You
Ah,
tried
sure,
already, you're eating
Oh,
it.
sorry, I shall wait for you.
It's okay. Nice or not?
Nice and warm.
I can't wait to try also.
Oh, those look like really big chunks.
Oh.
The olive oil is coming up.
It's very nice. Not enough fish.
Breakfast by the beach is good enough. Oh, we still got ham.
So are you going to eat the baked beans now?
Of course. Not the best brand because I bought a cheap one. Apart from all this, we still got ham. The tea is definitely gonna take a while. We're gonna leave it on. We brought some tea bags as well. We're gonna do some tea. Okay, and after everything, it's time for some tea. It's not exactly boiling, but it's hot enough. So let's go ahead.
Nice to have some cleansing tea in the morning after breakfast.